Hey guys, how are you all? I'm Mahima and I welcome you all back to our new English lesson. I hope that you all guys are having fun. So today starting and moving on our new topic, we are going to talk about pronoun. Yes, you are right. It's pronoun. What is pronoun? Pronoun means sarvanaam. What is pronoun? Let's read the definition. Pronoun are words which take the place of nouns. We use pronouns so that we do not have to keep repeating the same noun. Here are an example. Tom fell down, he began to cry. Here are Tom is a noun and he is a pronoun. Pronoun can be used as the subject of a sentence or the object of a sentence. One more example. Tom has a puppy. He feeds it. Here are subject. He is a subject pronoun. It is a object pronoun. We are going to more about them. Personal pronoun. Pronoun that take place of place or thing is called personal pronoun. They can be either singular or plural. We use personal pronouns depending upon number. The first thing is number. Number singular or plural. Here an example. Ram went to a party. He enjoyed it. One more time. Ram went to a party. He enjoyed it. If I say instead of Ram, if I write children, will I still say he? No, I will not say. I will say they. So this number point is trying to tell you when you're going to change the number is going turn into plural. Similarly, your pronoun will be changed. I hope that is clear to you. Let's read the next. Okay, now the next uses is gender. We already discussed. So now the example here is Shalini is in the pool. She loves swimming. If I say instead of Shalini is Ram, still I say she? No, I will not say. I will say he. Okay? I hope that is clear to you. Now moving on, this is a very important part of personal pronouns. It talks about persons. Okay? It includes first person, second person and third person. Now I have noticed that many people have confusion in first person, second person and third person. So let's take it very simply and easily. Okay? So the first person is somebody who talking, the speaker is called the first person. And the second person is who am I talking to? You. I am talking to you right now. And the third person will be the person I am talking about. Let me give you an example. Like I need to talk to you. Here I will be the personal pronoun and it will be the first person. Okay. And the you will be the second person. And if I further extend the sentence and I say that I need to talk to you about her. Okay. Her will be the third person. I hope that is clear to you. So the difference between the first person, second person and the third person is clear to you. Okay. And this is a quick small and you can say a table that will help you a lot. Read it carefully. One. The words I, you, he, she, it, we, and they are called personal pronouns for people, animals, places, or things. People, for an example, I, he, she, you, they, we. Animals or things, for an example, it, they. And the places, for an example, it. It's very important. So listen it very carefully and read it very carefully. I when you are talking about yourself. आप I कब यूज़ करते हैं? I when you are talking about जब आप खुद के बारे में बात कर रहे होते हैं. He for male gender. आप he कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब आप किसी पुरुष के बारे में बात करें. She for female gender. You for the person, people you are talking to, and they when you are talking about two or more people or animal. they आप कब यूज़ करते हैं? जब आप बात कर रहे हैं दो या दो से ज़्यादा व्यक्तियों के बारे में, एनिमल्स के बारे में. ओके. वी आप कब यूज़ करते हैं? when you are talking about yourself and one or more people. जब आप खुद के और किसी अन्य व्यक्ति के, वो एक भी हो सकता है और एक से ज़्यादा भी हो सकता है. एंड द इट फॉर द थिंग्स, प्लेसेस एंड एनिमल्स यू आर टॉकिंग अबाउट. आई एंड मी. I is used when the person is doing the action. जब I use होता है जब कोई व्यक्ति खुद उस काम को कर रहा है. Me is used when something is happening to person. We and us. We is used when person or people are doing the action. Us is used when something is happening to the person or people. They and them. They is used when several people do the action. जब बहुत सारे लोग मिलकर कोई कार्य कर रहे हैं. Them is used when something happens to the several people. Okay? He, him, she, her. He and she are used when the person is doing the action. Him, her are used when something is happening to the person. The next is mine, ours, yours, his, hers, theirs. These words are called possessive pronoun. We use them to say who and what something belongs to. The book is mine. Possessive मतलब अधिकार, उस पर आपका अधिकार है. That book is mine. यह किताब मेरी है. Is this pencil yours? It's a question. क्या ये पेंसिल तुम्हारी है? It's a very important. Next is, so listen it very carefully and read it also. I comes before the verb. I कब आता है? Verb से पहले. Example, I played football in school. Me comes after the verb. Me कब आता है? Me comes after the verb. We comes before the verb. Here are example. We are going for a walk. Us, us, us comes after the verb. Example, the dog is chasing us. The next is they. They comes before the verb. Verb से पहले. They are playing with the dog. Them. Them comes after the verb. Verb के बाद. The dog is playing with them. Next, he and she comes before the verb. He and she आते हैं verb से पहले. Example, he is reading a book. She is our class teacher. Next, we use a subject pronoun before a verb. It's also very important. We use a subject pronoun before a verb. Example is has, are, got, etc. We use an object pronoun after a verb. Example, help, like, see, etc. And after a preposition. Here are some preposition like with, for, at and etc. सब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन कौन कौन से होते हैं? आई, यू, ही, शी, इट एंड वी, दे. और ऑब्जेक्ट प्रोनाउन कौन कौन से होते हैं? मी, यू, हिम, हर, इट, अस एंड दैम. You and it can be used as subject or object of a sentence. So I hope that this is clear to you. So this is all for today, and I hope that pronouns are clear to you. We'll be meeting in our next video. Till then, take care. Bye bye. Stay home. Stay safe. Stay safe. Thank you.